Welcome back to my channel Bal Vigyan Bharti, and this is your mentor Abhilash Sarkar. As we are progressing on profit and loss, then last video we have ended up with a case study. Is a case where two consecutive discount has been given. After that, what is the sale price that has to be calculated, that we have already achieved. And now the case 2 for you, on progressing on the same note. Here we have to compare if two consecutive discount is given as percentage M and percentage N, with if M plus N percentage of discount given at once. So that means, as the figure says, M and N given consecutive, so as per, apparently that seems to be same, M and N one after one, so that means I am giving M plus N, and this case M plus N, whatever value is coming, let's say I am giving 10% and 5% consecutively. So if apparently it seems that 10 plus 5, 15% discount being given, that is the same thing is give. We have to compare. That means if it is same, means giving 10% then 5%, or together, will it be the same or different, that we have to compare. Now we'll use the derived formula for SP for first that complete discount. This is the complete discount when the cases are the consecutive discount. So this is the market price minus sell price. So market price is fixed, sell price is that consecutive. I am giving 1 minus M. I am not considering, I am keeping fraction. Let it be in fraction, because that will help me to calculate less. I am not keeping 100 upon, so I am just keeping the fraction. It is 1 minus M. I am converting it into fraction and keeping like that. So this will be ultimately MP into 1 minus, if I multiply this, this will be 1, this will be minus 1 plus M plus N minus Mn. This will be the case. Okay, if I multiply this, this will become what? 1 minus M minus N plus Mn. Now I am removing the bracket, I am getting minus 1 minus M, this one. So ultimately this minus, so MP into M plus N minus Mn will be the value. Discount 2 is again MP minus SP, but in this case the value of SP will be 1 minus, as it is in M, if it is a single discount, if it has to be 1 minus M into MP. Instead of M, I will write it M plus N in bracket or into MP, isn't it? So if I take it MP 1, I'll put it in bracket 1 minus 1 plus M plus N will come here. So this will cancelled out. Ultimately I will get M plus N into MP, isn't it? So this is D1, D2. Now let me deduct this 2. D2 minus D1 if I do. So this is D2. So in bracket that will be M plus N, and the first one is M plus N again. If I deduct this, so this will be again M plus N, and this minus and minus will be plus, so Mn. Understood? That will be into multiplied by MP. So now I'll rub it out, because you understand already what I am deducting. So this is the final figure. So this will be cancelled out. So ultimately D2 minus D1, I will get Mn into Mp. Now see, all these parameters are positive, nothing is negative. So this is always greater than 0. So D2 is greater than D1. So what you can conclude? The case where, second case, the discount is more. That means if I give M plus N together, I will get more discount than the first one consecutive. So what would be the seller perspective? Seller's perspective, to give less discount. So he will follow first case, first method, consecutive, first method. Okay. So for him to give less discount, so for D1 is coming when I am giving consecutive discount. So seller will perspective to follow the first method, whereas buyer perspective to get second method, to follow the second method. By that he will get more discount. So what is the advantage? Seller, if it is give less discount, he will get more SP for first case, and for him, if he follow the second, he will get more SP. Less cost price, less cost price. Okay, cost price less. That means if he gives less discount, he will get more SP, so profit will be high. For buyer, he will get at less, get more discount. That means lesser cost price. So this will be the perspective of seller and buyer. Understood? So this is case 2. Case 3 is when discount is M%, but profit also is profit also being you can say what the where discount is M%, but the profit is let's say N%. Profit is N%. Means I have to say like that, the seller who is giving a discount of M% is getting a profit of N%. So how will it work? So sell price, I will consider M. Sell price is with the M discount, the sell price will become M into market price, isn't it? But the sell price is depends on the profit. So if he is making N profit, so his cost price will become this 1 minus M into MP. So what is this CP then? 1 minus M divided by 1 plus N into MP. That depends on the market price. So that means if he giving discount M and getting profit N, so this will, the cost price will be related this. So now gain is equal to what? SP minus CP. So SP is what? 1 minus M into MP, and CP is what? Minus 1 minus M divided by 1 plus N into MP. Now gain here is equal to, if I calculate this will be common, 1 plus M into MP. If I take common, I will get 1 here and plus 1 minus 1 plus N here, isn't it? Now if we calculate this will become what? 1 plus n minus 1, so that will be n by n plus 1 into 1 minus m into mp. So this will be your gain. Understood? So the case 3 where he is making giving m discount but getting n profit. So there you can also change, if n is negative, that means he is making loss. So what would be the equation there? So that g will become, n will be minus n plus 1. Other things will not change unless until the sign of this will affect this equation. So if I take out the minus, this will become n minus 1. Sorry, n minus 1 already is there. So the equation will convert into n by n minus 1 into 1 minus m into mp. This will be the case. Okay, this will be the equation. Or as n is always less than 1, I have to write it like that, 1 minus n, and this minus will go there. This will minus will be outside, and this will be 1 minus m into mp. Now this minus I cannot adjust inside because m is less than 1, n is also less than 1. So this part is always positive. But minus is coming, that means instead of gain, he will make loss. So this is definitely a loss thing will come. So he will never gain if discount is given m and he is losing l. So this ultimately there is no gain, you will lose in the business. Okay. One more concept I will discuss and I will end up here on the theory part, then I will solve some problem. Now, as I said, this is cost price, this is market price, mark price, and there is a distance which is covered by profit plus discount. So as I said, the person who is taking from the first hand will fix up there so that he will not cross this selling price by which he has bought it. So then he will started making loss. But what if the first person only is in the transaction to the third person directly? So for him, this P plus D has a flexibility. He can adjust to cash the business. He can also consider this profit margin, because this profit margin he has kept for his fixed profit. Then after some range he has kept so that he can play in that range to increase his discount, increase his profit apart from this profit. But what if his business goes wrong, he needs more business, so he can also come up on this part. So for this case, so this P plus D can be taken as a new discount, that is D1, and that range is coming from, that discount will range from MP minus CP. This also can be possible in case something that business has to be enhanced. So he needs more business, he can sacrifice some of the profit to get more business, more quantify. So overall he can increase the profit on the quantity into the profit. If it is less also, the increasing quantity, he can get more profit. Okay, this is also a business strategy. Okay, this thing can also happen. Okay, in that case your gain will be considered as MP, means discount can be considered as MP minus CP. In that case your discount will be on what would be the case, because this both extreme are fixed. So what would be his discount where he will reach? So in this case CP is the fixed one. Okay, so his discount can be up to this, so he cannot vary the CP is fixed. So the discount for this case will get is this much only, and the total discount with the comparison, then only also will come by MP. So that means this total discount will be 1 minus CP by MP. So because when I'm talking about the discount, my prime is MP, means on the market price or the mark price I'm giving discount. I'm not looking after to get a profit, because when I am talking about the profit, then I will fix this part to get how much profit. But I am just calculating now the discount. Then out of this two fixed price, I have to consider market price. So this will be my discount equation, and from there my cost price will be something 1 minus discount into MP. Okay, this will be the ultimate discount. Below than that, if I go, means if this D is the maximum is to be 1, then CP will be the equal to market price, and there is a no loss, no gain, no loss, no gain condition will arrive. Below than that, it's definitely be a loss. This is another complicated situation. It may come, but with that concept you can go ahead and can solve the problem. So if it gets any problem, I will discuss this topic with the example. That will be more clear. But as of now, you can understand, for case of discount, I will consider this as fixed. In case of profit, I will keep this as fixed. This is the you can say the extension of that I have discussed on discount. Okay, this is a specific case. So thank you for now. I will solve some problem on this profit and loss. There it may happen few more concept can be clear perfectly. Okay, thank you for now. Good night.